Hello, let's get started with C quiz 1. It's called getting started because it has few basic queries, basic questions, and we'll see some complex concepts in future videos. So first, which of the following are invalid variable names and why? And these are the questions, and let's see the answers quickly. Basic salary is valid because variable names can have capital letters. Hash mean is invalid because hash is used to include header files, hence it's invalid. Population in 2006 is invalid because space is not allowed. Float, though it's a keyword, since it's in capital letters, it is valid. C is case sensitive, hence this is valid. Teams victory apostrophe is not allowed, so it is invalid. Underscore basic is valid because underscore is allowed in variable names. Group dot is invalid because dot is not allowed. Over space time space is not allowed, hence it's invalid. Hello is valid because both small and capital letters can be allowed in the variable names. Plot space hash space 3 is not allowed because both is invalid because both space and hash are not allowed. Basic hyphen HRA is invalid because hyphen is not allowed in variable names. 422 is invalid because it cannot have only digits numbers in the variable names. Mind over matter valid. Q dot invalid. 2014 underscore D-Day, though it is alphanumeric, since it's starting with a number, it is not allowed, hence it's invalid. The next section, point out the errors, if any, in the following C statements. Let's go one by one. So, name equal to Ajay, is this valid? No, it is not valid because a string cannot be assigned using single quotes. It has to be inside double quotes, and this has to be an array. I've given the valid case example below. Next question quickly. Int equal to 314.563 into 150. Is this valid or is there any error? Yes, of course there is error because int cannot be a variable name since int is a keyword. So another variable has to be used, and it is better if we use float to get the decimal value as well. Next question, var equal to 3. This is valid, there is no error in this. And the next one, 3.14 into r into h equal to volume of cycle of cylinder. No, this is not valid because the left hand side has to be the variable name. It cannot be an arithmetic operation. So I give the valid scenario example. Let's see the next question. Is this a valid C statement? No, because the arithmetic operation is missing here. I've highlighted the places where it is missing. Next question, is this valid? It is not valid because clearly we can see the space in this variable name and in this variable name. And the next one, is this a valid C statement? Yes, it is a valid C statement because the variable names are proper and the arithmetic operations are also valid. And area equal to 3.14 into r into 2, which is invalid. It will throw a compilation error. And the next question, r exponential 2 is used in this arithmetic operation, and this is not allowed in C. So instead of this symbol we have to use power r of 2 to get this r square value and include the math.h library. And next question, is this a valid C statement? Yeah, clearly we can see that the arithmetic operation is missing here. So this is invalid. And is this a proper C statement? Equal to is executed from right to left, and 3 equal to 4 would be executed first, which is a error. Count equal to count plus 1, yes, there is no error in this. And date equal to a string like 2 March 04 is invalid because this is a string and it cannot be assigned using single quotes, and date has to be an array. Yeah. And next section is evaluate the following expressions and show their hierarchy. Yeah, let's go over it. And yeah, this is the expression, and let's see how this will get executed. So slash and star both have same priority, but the statement would get executed from left to right. So I have given an answer with braces in it to understand how it would get executed. So it is first this one plus and the following asterisk and then followed by the slash and then this one and then the slash is executed first. So the result would be like this: 2 by 2 plus 2 into 4 by 2 minus 2 plus 2.5 by 3, which is 3 minus 2, yeah, 5 minus 2, 3 plus 0.83, 3.83. And next statement. So yeah, let's quickly get the answer for this and see how this gets executed. So I've given the braces, this expression with the braces. So inc into act and slash by 2 plus 3 by 2 into act first and then other plus sub. So you can see the result here. 4 by 2 2, 3 by 2 1, uh, plus 2 plus 3.2. So since on is an integer, the 8.2 gets truncated to 8. Next question. So let's see, obviously this will also get executed from left to right, and I've given the expression here with braces for clear understanding. Yeah, so first multiplication followed by division and then 6 by 2 first plus 2 by 3 first into 6 by 2 by 3 into 6, and this comes in braces followed by God. So 8 by 4 2, 6 by 2 3, 2 minus 3 plus 2 by 3 0 into 6, so it's whatever is 0, so its answer is minus 1. Since s is an int, minus value also would be printed. And next one, let's quickly see the answer for this. 1 by 3 into a gets executed first, and that gets divided by 4 and then minus, and 6 by 2 gets executed next, and then plus 2 by 3 into 6, the whole thing divided by g, which is 3. So 1 by 3 is 0, 0 into whatever is 0 here, 6 by 2 3, 2 by 3 is also 0, and the answer is minus 3. Let's see the next section here. So this is also almost the hierarchy part, so let's go over it quickly. So here 10 by 5 by 2 by 1, though it's all slash, it gets executed from left to right. So 2 by 2 1, 1 by 1 1, so the answer is 1. And next one, again it gets executed from left to right, so 3 by 2 is 1 plus 5 into 4, 20 by 3, 6, so 6 plus 1 7 is the answer. And here 3 plus 4 gets executed first, and then the assignment operation, so a b and c would be assigned with 7. And the next section is convert the following equations, mathematical equations, into C statements. Let's go over it one. So the first one, yeah, so wherever braces are there, we need to replace it with asterisk, and we need to give the proper braces so that the division is done accordingly. So let's see the answer first. 8.8 into a plus b into 2, and the whole thing divided by c. And so here there's a closing braces minus 0.5 plus 2 into a divided by q plus r, and the whole thing divided by, I gave a braces here for the denominator as well. And the next one, let's quickly see the answer. So I just pull this side, b into b plus 2 into 4 into a into c minus b, and the whole thing divided by 2 into a. And next one, yeah, similarly 2 into v plus 6.22 into c plus d, and the whole thing divided by g plus v. Next one, yeah, similarly an asterisk here and an asterisk here, and braces before doing the division, by C, and then minus 0.8 plus 2 into B, and then followed by braces for the denomination. And what is the next section is we need to predict the output of the following programs. So let's quickly see the first question. Yeah, so here we are printing K, L, A, B. K and L are integers, A and B are float values, and the output is 0 to 0 0.0, 2.00. So here let's see the first expression, K equal to I by J into J. So obviously the I by J is executed first. 2 by 3, which is 0 into whatever is 0, and L equal to J by I, 3 by 2, which is 1 into 2, 2, and then 2 by 3, which is again 0 0.00 into 3, which is again 0, 3 by 2, which is 1. Since these are integer values, a division is giving us a integer values only. It is not having a float value. So 3 by 2 is 1 into 2, 2. And let's go to the second question. So here the expression is minus 3 minus minus 3. Though it looks invalid, this program gets executed without any error, and similar to any mathematical equation, minus into minus would be multiplied and it would give a plus. So minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0, and similarly here minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus 3 which is giving us an output of minus 6. So the answer of this would be like this, 0 and minus 6. And a few additional things is that we can give this way as well, plus minus, plus minus minus. So plus into minus minus, it gets executed, and these also would not get not throw any errors. And the next one, is this a valid C program? First of all, though it looks valid, it is not invalid. This throws a compilation error because the module operation will not allow float values in it. It accepts only integer values. Even the double or long int are not allowed. So we have to use fmod and fmodf function in math.h library to do the module operation. So an error would be thrown for this C program saying invalid operands to binary, have float and float. That is the error. Since A and B are float values, and the next one, yeah, so let's see how the output would be. N gets printed as it is, slash n with a new line, slash n gives a new line, and then space, and then nn and slash n. So the statement would end at the next line. So the next printf will start at the next line because of this slash n in the first printf statement, and this slash n would just get printed as it is, and nn also would get printed as it is, and the last slash n also would get as it is, would get printed as it is. In case if you want to print slash n in the output, you need to give slash slash n. Only then slash n will be printed. This backslash n will be printed in the output. Go to the next question. So here this looks like a normal scanf statement, but there is an issue here, like when there is a space in the scanf between these two percentile d's, or a space after a percentile d, this will expect 3 inputs. Though you are doing a scanf only for 2 integers, you will not get the cursor back until you give 3 inputs. So here I have to enter 1, 2 and 3, but only the first two values will be read into A and B. So this is something which we have to take care when we are writing a scanf. The unnecessary spaces can be avoided. And next one, is this a valid C program, or will this throw any error? Yes, it throws an error because scanf is given without the ampersand symbol, so it will throw an error. I gave the error for and the next section is pick up the correct alternative for each of the following questions. C language has been developed by Dennis Ritchie. C can be used on all of these operating systems. It can be compiled, and C programs are converted into machine language with the help of compiler. And the real state constant in C can be expressed in which of the following forms? Yeah, fraction form or exponential form. In both ways it can be. And a character variable can at a time store one character. The statement char ch equal to z would store in ch. It will store ASCII value, not the character z. Which of the following is not a character constant? All of the above, because character constant will have only one character. And the maximum value that an integer constant can have is 32767, and the minimum value is minus 32768. And a C variable cannot start with a special symbol other than underscore and a number. Both it cannot be start with. It cannot start with. So which of the following statement is wrong? Though 2 and 3 looks wrong, they are correct. It will just multiply the ASCII values of these numbers, and 4 is invalid because the left hand side cannot have an arithmetic operator. Next one, which of the following shows the correct hierarchy? Fourth option. And yeah, here again, which operation will be performed first? As we all know, like it gets executed from left to right, so 6.6 by 8. And yeah, the next section is, next question is, which of the following is allowed in a C arithmetic instruction? It is these braces. Which of the following statement is false? Each new C instruction has to be written on a separate line. This is false. And all the others are true. All C statements are entered in small case letters. Blank spaces may be inserted between two words in a C statement. Blank spaces cannot be inserted within a variable name. All these. And next one, if A is an integer variable, 5 by 2 will only have an integer variable. The decimal numbers would not be there. So 2 is the answer. The option 3 is the answer. Expression evaluates 2. Let's see the answer. So 7 by 22 is 0. So this gets evaluated into 0. Next one, the expression, this one, it comes to 32768, and this is this number is not allowed for an integer where the compiler, where it is a 2 byte, like if integer is a 2 byte value, then 32767 is the maximum value. Since this gets evaluated to 32768, it will get rounded off, and option 2 would be displayed. And the next expression, x is equal to 4 plus 2 module minus 8 evaluates 2, and 2 module minus 8 gets evaluated first, and it returns 2, so 4 plus 2 is 6. And the next one, hierarchy decides which operator is used first, and an integer constant in C must have at least one digit. Other options are invalid. And a character variable can never store more than one character. An integer constant in C must have at least one digit. Which of the following is false in C? Keywords can be used as C variable names. This is invalid. This is false. Variable names can contain a digit. It is true. Variable names do not contain a blank space. True. Capital letters can be used in variable names. True. So the first option. And in C, a variable cannot contain all of the above. Which of the following shows the correct hierarchy of the arithmetic operations? And the fourth option. What will be the value of D if D is a float after the operation D equal to 2 by 7.0? Option 2 is the correct value.